Today I started a parasite cleanse protocol, and I decided to share my recipe with you. Now, this isn't just some random herbal remedy. This is my actual recipe that I not only use for myself, but I sell this to my customers too, and I'm going to teach you how to make it and how to take it. Now, this is an all-natural recipe, and you're most likely going to have to buy these herbs, but I'm going to give you some ideas of where you can get them. Now, the first one you're going to need is papaya seed powder. Now, medical studies have shown that papaya is super effective in eliminating parasites. Unfortunately, it only gets rid of anywhere from 70 to 90% of parasites, which is a lot, but it doesn't get rid of all of them. Now, papaya seed also has a direct impact on eggs of parasites as well. The next ingredient is Oregon graperoot. Oregon graperoot contains a compound called berberine. Berberine is super effective against parasites, and it impacts the parasites differently than the papaya seed does. So when you use them together, they work better together. The third one you're going to need is wormwood herb. Wormwood is also known to be an anthelmintic or an antiparasitic herb. This is going to help to eliminate the problem in the gut. And then you have black walnut hulls. Now, black walnut hulls are also known to be very effective against parasites, but when used with wormwood, it works really well. We're going to use all four of those together. Now, the last ingredient we need is pumpkin seeds. Now, the reason why we're going to use pumpkin seeds is pumpkin seeds are known to stun parasites. So they actually temporarily paralyze the parasites. This is going to enable us to help flush them out more efficiently by using the other herbs together. Now, here's the actual recipe you need to put them together. Feel free to grab a screenshot of this, or you can just simply pause it and write it down. If you're looking for places to source these herbs, two of the best places that you can go to buy these in small quantities would be either eBay or Etsy. Now, one of the problems is papaya seed powder may be a little hard to come by. Now, you can go to a place called bulksupplements.com, and the package looks like this. You can get it here, but you can only get it in 2.2 pound bags. Now, to be fair, I do have some papaya seed powder in my Etsy store, but I don't have a lot. I didn't make the video to sell papaya seed powder. So, when you go to buy your herbs, here's the quantities that you'll need for a family of 3. Feel free to grab a screenshot of this. This will actually be enough for a family of 3 for the 7-day protocol. So once you get all your herbs, you're going to take them all and put them in a blender or a food processor, and you're going to blend them really well. You want to make sure that all 5 of those herbs are blended really well. You're best served to buy all of these in powder form. It's going to make it the easiest way to use this. Okay, so once you have it blended, you're going to use 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of hot water 3 times a day. This is gentle enough for children. This is gentle enough for people with sensitive systems or sensitive stomachs. And this is even good enough for your pets too. Pretty neat, huh? So let's talk about binders real quick. Binders are compounds that are going to adhere to the chemicals that the parasites leave when they die off. These are called die-off chemicals. You can use a binder like activated charcoal. What you would do is you would use 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal to 8 ounces cold water, and you would drink that an hour after every cup of the tea. This is going to help to be sure that you're pulling the rest of the toxins out as the parasites are dying off.